Hey plant lovers! Did you know you don't need a big garden to enjoy beautiful climbing plants? Yep, even if you live in an apartment or have just a balcony, you can grow stunning vines in pots that climb, trail, and fill your space with greenery and blooms. Today, we're diving into the 10 best vines for containers. Easy to grow, low maintenance, and totally Instagram worthy. Let's get right into it. 1. Sweet potato vine. This one's a superstar. Even though it's related to the vegetable, sweet potato vine is grown for its lush, colorful leaves, bright lime green, deep purple, even variegated shades. It's fast-growing, thrives in full sun, and looks amazing trailing from hanging pots or balcony railings. Bonus tip: pinch the tips occasionally to make it bushier. 2. English ivy. A true classic. English ivy is perfect if you want something evergreen that can handle some neglect. It's great for shaded balconies and indoor corners. Just make sure the pot drains well. Ivy hates soggy roots. And here's a cool fact. NASA once listed ivy among the top plants for improving indoor air quality. 3. Bougainvillea. Want a tropical vibe? Bougainvillea is your best friend. This bright bloomer loves full sun and well-drained soil. The colors, pink, orange, magenta, or white, instantly lift your mood. Go for dwarf varieties like Helen Johnson or Bambino, perfect for pots. Just remember, they like it dry between waterings. 4. Morning glory. These cheerful flowers bloom every morning and close by afternoon. That's how they got their name. They're quick climbers, great for trellises or balcony railings. Plant them in a sunny spot and watch them shoot up in weeks. One fun thing, they self-seed easily, so next season you might get free plants popping up. 5. Clematis. If you want show-stopping flowers, clematis is your go-to. They come in tons of colors: purple, pink, white, and they love cool roots and warm tops. That means shade the pot base, but give the vine plenty of sunlight. Use a tall trellis and you'll have a living curtain of blooms. 6. Jasmine. Who doesn't love that heavenly jasmine fragrance? You can grow jasmine in a pot with a small trellis or stake. Star jasmine, also called Confederate jasmine, is a great container variety, evergreen, hardy, and smells divine. Just make sure it gets at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight for best flowering. 7. Mandevilla. This one screams tropical vacation. Glossy leaves, trumpet-shaped flowers, and continuous blooms from spring to fall. Mandevilla grows beautifully in containers and can be trained up a trellis. In cooler climates, bring it indoors in winter. It loves warmth. 8. Black-eyed Susan vine. Cute name, cuter flowers. This vine produces bright yellow or orange blooms with a dark center, like tiny suns. It's a fast grower, perfect for fences, balcony edges, or hanging baskets. Give it regular water and sun, and it'll reward you with color all summer long. 9. Passion flower. Want something exotic? Try passion flower. Its blooms are like something out of a sci-fi movie, intricate and eye-catching. It attracts butterflies and hummingbirds too. It likes warmth and full sun. There are also compact varieties ideal for pots, like amethyst or Lady Margaret. 10. Hops. Yes, the same hops used in beer. But even if you're not a brewer, hops vines are beautiful, quick-growing and lush. They love sunlight and a sturdy trellis. Cut them back after fall. They'll regrow strong each spring. Just be prepared, they can grow fast. Extra advice. Tip number 1. When planting vines in containers, use deep pots with good drainage. Vines grow long roots, and soggy soil can cause rot. Tip number 2. Add a support structure early: trellis, wire, or bamboo stake, so the vine knows where to climb. Tip number 3. Use slow-release fertilizer every few months for consistent growth. Container plants lose nutrients faster than garden ones. Tip number 4. If you live in a windy area, go for sturdy vines like jasmine or clematis instead of delicate ones like morning glory. And remember, you can mix vines too. A trailing vine with a flowering climber makes a gorgeous combo. So, which of these vines are you going to try first? Tell me in the comments below. I'd love to hear your favorites. If this list gave you ideas for your balcony or patio, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell for more easy garden inspiration every week. Thanks for watching and happy planting.